His what?
His skin.
Oh, it's much better.
He's like, what is that?
Yeah. And I think because
Kim.
you changed the formula.
That's so crazy how formula like
Yummy. You like that?
Mm-hmm. Oh my.
I think it's safe to say that he likes carrots. He ate the whole entire thing. Say hey. We are on the 30-something floor, and this view is like kind of scary. Try not to focus too hard on it. Hey, Kim. Right. Ready for the beach. Hey, Kim. Going to the store to get batteries because I want to take pictures, but my batteries aren't working anymore, so I'm gonna try to get some more, and then we'll go to the beach. Hey, Tinka. It's beautiful, but it's super windy. So windy. Phone's knocked out. So we have this thing that we got from Amazon called Boom Woofer. And basically you open it up and it's like this huge baby tent. You put them inside and just kind of chilling in there. So if he wakes up before we leave, I'm gonna put him in. We'll see how it looks. He's up from his nap. Say hey, Kim.
Can't trust it.
Live from the tent. Live from the tent. Live from the tent. You like your tent? Yeah. I laid him down to go to sleep, and then as soon as I put him down, he woke up. Trifling. You don't never want to take a nap, right? You don't want to miss out on any fun. Take your sandy hands off my face. Silly boy. You so silly. You don't like the water? You wanna try again? You gonna try again? This wind is crazy. The water is really pretty though. Get up, boy. Get up. Mwah. Oh my god, sand in my eyes. Mommy got sand in her eyes. Mommy got sand in her eyes. Mwah. I love you. Love you. You wanna get back in the water? Do you want to? Okay, let's do it. I'll get him in the water. No. No. I'm getting beat up. Why are you trying to hurt mommy? You're scratching my face, you're pulling my hair. Yeah, I don't appreciate it. What you gotta say for yourself? Yeah. Say sorry, mommy. Yeah. Hi, little man. So we stopped to eat on the boardwalk. You got something to say? What you got to say? What? Yeah?
That actually looks already good, that shrimp bowl.
Just woke up from a nap. I look crazy, so I won't show you me, but how was your nap, Cam? How was your nap? So now we are back on the balcony. And it's food time. You ready for some carrots? Are you ready for some carrots? He's basically eats the whole thing, so let's just go for it. That's it, Cam. That's it. Ready, ready, ready? Yummy carrots. That's tasty. Yummy, yummy carrots.